All morning.
Good morning, sir.
So why they are not joining?
Don't know, sir.
Yesterday only three, right?
Maybe, sir.
Share my screen. Like the screen is visible for you. Visible. So it's visualize.
Yes, sir.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
We move on methods in Java. So what is the method? Means functions we are calling. So basically methods are used for usability. Next, we use to logics, patient, signature, or you can say the syntax of method is modifier, right? Not reduced. Open the bracket to close a bracket. Here you can implement the logics in return type. Is the basic syntax for methods. Modifiers can be used public, private, private, static, so many things. No return type, return type must anything. Any data type, that's very important in all primitive data types. issue. Computer projects also we can use. Primitive or primitive also we can use. If you are not returning any value, then you can write always write a good a where is right required as a schedule should be that name be valid identifier be valid identifier. Implement list should be defined the data type. It want be like this, you can expect it. Next to brackets are mandatory to use. Next to the logic you are going to use and return. What is a return? Return is a keyword. How many times return the order? Only once. Return the value from this is about basically what is a method. Method is a function. So we can call it as a function used for reusability. Used for reusability and implements the logics. What is the syntax? Syntax is what? Modifier, return type, method name, argument list, open the bracket, implement the logics, and return the value. Now, so modifier may be anything like public, private, protected, static, all the modifier is applicable. The return type must have a data type. You have to be defined which data you are going to be returning to the main functions. So if you are use primitive as well as non-primitive data types also we can use. And if you are not returning any value from the method, then must you should be declared as a while. While means doesn't return any value. Method name must be what? It's a valid identifier. And argument list you can declare like int A, int B, whatever the argument here you can be pass it. Next to the mandatory things are what? Open bracket as well as the closing brackets. Mandatory things here. And return type is what? A return is a keyword. Only once the value will be returned the value to the main functions. Okay. So how do you call based on on method name is on method name and another way is what based on object. We can call method. So method must be like there are two ways you can call using directly we can call the method name based the name and it is based on object also we can call the method. Okay. So where I have to be declare the method, declare the method must be declared outside the main method outside the declare the okay. We have to declare a method must be declared inside the main, outside the main, and inside the class, you have to be declared. Okay, let's go for example. Here I'm doing class method is what outside the method I'm calling public void method. So you can say in square. Here I'm going to be making incremental answers. Dot out dot println. Okay, and here I'm saying inside the method. We can say one line. Try to compile. How do we call this? By using function. Maybe I can say method name. Here Java C test1.java. Compile what it is saying. It's a non-static method. Print data cannot be referenced in the static context. Okay, this is a static context. Why it is a static context? It is an main method always has a static. So if I want to call from non-static to static, this method must be declared as an static. Okay, this method always declared as an static. If you are not creating any object, directly you want to call this method based on the method name, then I should declare static. Okay, now I can save it. Go to command line. Java C method name dot Java. Now it is fine. Now Java method. This one. Now we can yes, it's calling right. So I'm getting hello world as well as inside a method. Is it clear? So if you call many times, let's say I'm calling one more time, 3 times I'm calling inside a method. So when I call this, it will execute how many times? 3. Okay, this is the simple way. How do you declare a method? How do you call the methods? Okay, fine. Let me go to another example. Copy, save. Now we can go to Java. Here, method 2. Now, here I'm printing write a method public void public static. I'm not creating an object for the method. That's what I'm declaring as an static here. Now, here I'm printing print name. Okay, print the name. In this name, first I need to be pass the name here. Let's say here print name. And here I'm passing the argument, the question. So what type of argument I'm passing? String type. So here what I'm doing, I'm declaring string name. So here I'm printing the name system dot out dot print the length, and here I'm passing hi one message hi morning morning, and I need to be print the name. Save this here, the screen, Java C, like just to Java, compile, now Java, run this. Yes, I'm getting right moving. Okay. For the name you are passing, that name is going to be printing. Let's say, I'm printing another name. HAP. Save it to here, file, and run. Okay, it's just simple. How do you pass the argument? Let's say one more example. Go to new Java, click, stay here. Good. Yes. So here I'm passing three, six wide. Here I'm saying student info. So in student info, I need to be print. Uh, I need to be print. Parent name. Student name is a string. So yes name, comma. Now I am printing in age. Okay. Now I am saying string in college name. The argument I am passing. What are the argument I am passing here? Student info. Just I need to print these info. What I have to do? System dot out dot println. Okay. Here I'm printing student name is student name. Here I'm printing yes name. Next string dot out dot println. I'm printing student page is yeah, saying age. Now system dot out dot println. Here I'm printing resume. Here I'm printing these things I need to be cleaned for the student information. What is the method here? What is the method? Student info. Student info I need to be call it. Okay. Student info I need to be call it. And here the first argument, what it is? Name. So here I'm saying Rajesh, age I'm passing 25. Next college name I'm printing. Yeah. Okay. So this is a college info. Now let's try copy, save it, go to here, file, and run this. Right? You need to be run what? Java C program name dot Java. Right. What I did a mistake. Semicolon. I need to be given. Now file once. Yes. Fine. We'll do this. Yes. Now let's say here in place of here argument I'm passing, it should be matchable. First argument is string type, it is a string. Second argument is integer type. Third argument is string, so it is also string type. Now, if I interchange this input value, let's say here if I say 25, now I'm saving, I'm trying to be compiled. So is it a no, right? Because this it will be follow with the argument of similitude. So what I'm telling, the thing is, if you are passing the argument, it's a string, it should be matchable with string. If it is passing the integer, it should be matching. The thing, the order you should be follow. First it is string, second integers, then string. But in this order, it is a wrong. So that's what it will not allow the compiler. You should be follow the order. You should be matched with this argument list. Then only it will be work. Okay. If you want to print another information for another student, then you can go for like this. In place of Rajesh, so interchange Ramesh is 35 and college I'm saying writing. Okay. Now I can save it. Now you can go to here, file and run this. This is also print the student information because I'm following two student informations here based on the student. This is what, how do you pass a argument? Okay. Say another one. So I need to be verify, say method test 4 it is. Method test 4 here, just I'm verifying the username password. How do you do that? So let's say public static void. Okay. In the login means you should have a two argument. Which are the two argument you have? Username, string, username, comma, string, password. No, it should be verified. So username and password should be same. In that case, you can use so here you need to be work for login test. So here verifying the login. So here okay, here username username dot equals username is equals name in operator for the end operator will go both conditions are same, then resulting value should be true, right? Now password it uses comparison operation. Okay, comparison first we are using equals results equals. Now yeah, both are true, then what should I get the output? System dot output println. Here uh, I'm saying become become is now specifying the name I need to print it. So otherwise, what I have to do? I need to be used else. So here I'm saying system dot out dot println. Here I'm going to be implementing what else part username, the name or password is no. It should be password username and password. Here, what is the method name? Login test. I have to pass the two arguments, which are those username as well as a password. Let's say here username is what admin com admin. So in format, so I need to pass the string argument. Okay, let's copy this, paste it, save. Now save here the string Java C, test4.java. Okay. We have is there a username, the spelling. User, here I will do it fast. Or you can save it. We have the screen. Java C. Okay. Now, yes, now it is Java. Let me test. Welcome. My book. But if I pass the argument, password as 123. So in this case, the username passwords are what? Different. So in this case, I should get username or password are wrong. I can compile. It is saying username or password is wrong because the username must be matched with me. So this is what, how do you pass test the login. Now, the logic is if this condition is true, then I should be given, I should say welcome. If this condition is false, it should be say login. But how do I use this return the value? If this condition is true, then I should use return true. So what type of return it is? And here I should say return false. Return false. So what type of data I am returning? I am returning Boolean type. So you should be replaced with Boolean. Should be replaced with the particular logic data type. So if you are returning Boolean type, return type must be Boolean. If you are returning number, it should be integer. If you are returning double, then it should be double. So now what it is doing here, it is returning the Boolean value. So what I am doing here, I want to store the value in the form of what? What type of return it is? Boolean. Boolean result. So here also I can implement the logic guys. Let's say if result is true, result is true, then I should say, so here I'm saying system dot out dot println dot println, here I'm saying what I'm saying here, login access. Otherwise, what I have to be right? Else, but username password are wrong. System dot out dot println. Here I can say login. Okay. Here I can say login. Okay. Now let's save it. Go to here, enter the screen, compile, and run this. Login successful. Okay. If I say here one, now it is failed, right? So it will return, it is fail means if this condition is fail, then it will return false. I can say this is what, how do you return the value from the method? Keep in mind, guys, you should be return, the type should be matchable. The type should be matchable. If you are declared Boolean, it should return the Boolean. If you are returning integer, it should return type should be integer. Let's say one more example I will take Java. So the case I Let's go to one more example. Here I can do it. Here I'm saying create new. I'm bring the questions here. Right? Mm, uh, Here I'm saying okay. More. Mm, That's these things. What is the operation here? I'm adding. So I should say what type of return it is? Return a plus b is this resultant value. It must be return. Okay. In this case, it is returning what? Return a means it should return multiplication. Return a into multiplication. Okay. Now we can store the values. So first I need to pick call add. And here I am assigning the value 10 comma 20. Now it will store. So I need to say here system dot out dot println. Let me try this. It will work or not. Now additions. Use this. See this. With three right. Additions. We are using instruction. Then save it. Work. Not. Yes. Or see. Say it will not allow to you directly. What did they say? Static, non-static. As I earlier thought, it should be declared as static. Then static here. Plus, the simple context and calling non-static status. Okay. Now, here, get the screen. Java C dot Java. Compile as define Java. So, so this is what. How do you return the value? Okay. This is what very important. Next, once we go forward, real-time example, ATM test. Okay. ATM test. Right here. What are the operations in the ATM? Is public, static, void, right? Was method static for it Next, we need to be write some more music. Please wide and wide. Okay. So, this might be it. These are the three functions of what ATM software. Right. So here I need to be deposit the amount. Let's say double double depo that amount. Deposit amount 6,000. Deposit amount 6,000. So that amount I need to be here. Okay. Double double deposit AMC amount. So deposit amount it should be get what? Should be what? So here we can say mm, here I'm saying double double balance equal to this plus is the logic. Okay. Now if you want to get this amount, then what you have to do? You need to pay return this value. Return what? We can say total plus balance. So the data I need to pay return. Then what is a double? I can say here place of y. Another. Okay. Next to after deposit you want to be withdraw. Can withdraw. How do you withdraw? Double double total balance. Say again, right? Total balance equal to how do you withdraw the amount? This is also we are going to be withdrawing. So here also I'm declaring well withdraw. Only will get what I'm doing. Okay, price each also. Okay, that data you need to be get here. How do you get this withdraw? From the total balance, you need to be withdraw. So now from this total balance, you need to be withdraw amount. What is the withdraw amount? So this is about by amount adding one. So first you can look at what I'm doing here. Return total balance. I'm going to be return it because once you withdraw, you should be get the withdrawal and total balance. Now, if you want to get only the balance already, just you have to say get the balance. So here I need to only return the balance. Okay, this and return Done only. So and it should be one. So here also we are using, here also I'm using, in this method also using. It's a global variable or what? Yes, it is a global variable. So I can declare here like what? Like total balance. Okay, public multi total. That's right. Withdraw. Now this total balance is how much? Total balance is I'm assigning here only. That is a 6,000. Now we can remove this. Let me withdraw amount only once. So I can do here. Okay. So here I'm doing withdraw amount is 3,000. Okay. Now if you want to get the balance, you should get the total balance. Total balance 6,000. I need to be deposit. So the balance, when I say balance, total balance, this function is total balance plus deposit. The total balance already I declared. Just I will remove. And here I'm returning the value. On deposit, you can deposit the amount. Let me try once. Just showing here. Just I need only the which one? Balance inquiry. Get balance inquiry. Or you can say get the balance. This is work fine. Get. When I call this, I should get this 6,000. Okay. Here I'm printing system dot print. I learn and say here get some just I can call this total balance. Okay. Total balance by save it, copy, save it, go to here, this, save, yeah, let's see, good, so right, let me see, total balance, semicolon, I review, okay, file, do the same, incompatible type, unexpected return value, return total balance. What it is saying is correct. Say once find the symbol class return, class ATM test, return PURN. URN. Now you can save it. Clear the screen. Compile. So incompatible type unexpected return the value. Why do saying? Because already I defined this balance. What I need to do, what it is saying, unexpected return value. Expected return value. Declare here. First, the train number 19. Please.
I think double you have not mentioned.
Sorry. Okay, tell me. Many times I declare, right? This is 7 yes, yes, compile should take next page you can try. Where I doing a mistake.
It's a public
You tell me.
static double, sir.
Why is it working, guys? Should be what? Let me save. Compile. This is working fine. I can run this Java. Wait, let me just now this. Now, when I withdraw the amount, then I need to withdraw the amount. Then what I have to do? Okay, what I have to do? So I need to pay withdraw the amount. I need to pay, right? So I should call this method withdraw. Okay, so I should call whatever the amount you want to withdraw. You can pass this amount. This I'm withdrawing 3,000. Okay, so here I'm storing this value into W amount. This is double type. Okay, this is double type. So after once you withdraw the amount, you should get system dot out dot println. Okay, what I have to do here, you draw the amount. Is the amount here. How much amount it is withdrawn? That's the 3,000, right? That's the 3,000. Okay, that amount you need to be, you will get the total amount after returning. Okay. After withdraw, after withdraw, total amount is no, please just you have to be safe. Something I can save it. Command line. Right. Thanks. Okay. After withdraw, your total amount is your, I can say your balance also. Balance is save next left. Balance. If you deposit the amount, you can deposit. So you can say here deposit all these functions. Deposit. So just you can pass the amount here 6,000. Okay, deposit. Here I can say system dot out dot println. Okay. Here we can solve this method. Once you deposit the amount, it should be add the amount, right? Here, here I'm saying after deposit. Okay. After deposit or Steve depends amount. Save it. To screen JavaScript of 10 compile. software. Once you get the total, you should get the 6,000 total, initial total amount. After withdrawal, 3,000, you are getting 3,000. Again, you are depositing the money. The 6,000 total amount is 9,000. So this is basic things about how do you work on it. But the thing is, so how do I implement this with the proper way? Okay. So I need to deposit with the command line. I want to be withdraw the command line. Okay, what I have to do? Just I can give you one basic scenario. Let me comment this line, whole line. Here. Okay. Now, so let me go to here. System1, system dot out dot println. So here I'm saying one for deposit amount. Press one for press one for deposit amount. Next, what I have to do? Next operation, which one I have? The deposit you need to do with the dot. This two for withdraw amount. Next one. This three for then you need to be here. I can say this or get balance. Okay. So these are all the things you need to be present. So what I have to do? First, I need to read a data from keyboard. For that reason, you should use one import the package. Okay, what is the package? Scanner package. Keep in mind the scanner class is be used for command line. Okay, you need to be read the data from the command line, then you should go for scanner class. The scanner class is present in java dot dot scanner. Okay. That scanner class is known three things. So next is used for next function is used for string. Okay. Next int used for integer value. Next double method is used for read for values. Okay. So if you are using float, then you can go for a next float. If you are using a character, then you can say char, like that you have to be using. Now, how do you use this scanner things? So first I need to import which package? Import java dot build dot scanner. This is the class you should be import. Once you import, you need to create an object for scanner class. How do we create an object for scanner class? Create scanner class object. Now how do we do that? Scanner scan the scanner is equal to new of scanner. Within that, I need to pass some internal argument. That is what scanner is equal to new scanner. Within that, input string scanner dot see. So here I need to pass scanner object dot in. I need to pass in the string. Use stream. So we use this scanner. So for scanner is for we can use we do which method is so that is what we should be use system dot in method. So here you should go for system dot means it is reading the system keyboard. Let me try this. So I need to be press this value. So here I'm saying yes, and here I can say system dot out dot println. Here I can say enter your choice. So here enter your choice. So what is the choice? That value you need to be enter here. So here how do I store it? Sorry, it is a string choice equal to here I can say sc dot next. Already we have used integer, right? So just I can say next call directly. Okay, that value it will be stored. Now you should be which one you are going to be using after that. You need to be used some cases, right? The case 1, case 2, case 3. So in that case, I should be use what? Which one? Switch. Okay. So here I can say here so what price. Okay. This one I need to be use here. So here what are the cases I have? Case 1. For case 1, which one I'm using? Deposit. So I should call this deposit method. Okay. So here in this method, in this deposit, we need to be entering the amount. So here also I need to be say what already I created. So here I'm saying system dot out dot println here system dot out dot println. So here I'm saying okay, what I need to be do? I need to be enter the amount. So here I'm saying enter the amount to deposit. So just you need to be deposit amount you need to be doing. So what I will do is this variable just I'm doing here. We need to be do here also. So I'm declaring that variable. Next, this amount I need to be storing. So here I'm saying. So again, what I need to do deposit this variable is equal to sc dot next okay, enter the amount and it will be stored into deposit. That deposit amount I need to pay pass to deposit. Once it is deposit here, once it is deposit, there is a deposit here. So just I am storing it. I am not returning the value. Just say here I'm saying white. White is replaced. Okay. So here, just I'm removing this. Here the amount you are getting, it is adding. After the adding, just I need to be say successfully deposited. System dot out dot println. Here I can say your amount is deposited successfully. Deposited. Here I can say amount deposited successfully and one. After the case once. Then if you are depositing, you can deposit. Now in the case 2, what is the case 2? Withdraw. Okay, just I'm saying here. So here I'm saying case 2. What is that? Want to withdraw. If you are press second, if you are press 2, it will go for withdraw amount. Now in this case, I need to be withdraw the amount. That amount I need to be pass it. Okay, just in creating one more here. Double this variable. Okay, now here in say system dot out dot println. Okay, now here I'm saying enter the amount, enter the amount with DRL. Okay. In this case, I need to withdraw the amount. Okay, so just not returning here, just I'm making again y and I'm removing this. I need to get by. Okay. Let's see why I'm not returning any values. Remove this. Withdraw the amount. Just I can say here withdraw. The amount equal to SC dot 6. This withdraw amount I need to pass into withdraw function. Now, I need to pass this amount. Okay. Here, when you withdrawing the amount, it should be checked the your total balance, right? If your amount is deposited amount is 6,000, but you are withdrawing 7,000. In this case, condition is you need to be check it. How do you do that? So here I'm saying, so if withdraw amount, yes, withdraw amount always be less than or equal to what? Less than or equal to what? But total balance. These are not total balance, then only it is possible to withdraw the amount. These are not otherwise. Otherwise, what you have to get? You should get insufficient balance message, right? So here you should say system dot out dot println. Here I should say insufficient balance. Insufficient balance. Try later. solve this equation. If always withdraw amount should be less than or equal to total balance, then it can withdraw the amount. Otherwise, it won't be withdraw it. After this condition, next one is what? Just we need to pay, get the balance. Already we have a get balance amount. Just if you are facing. So here in the case third. The case is third 3. What is it? System. I need to be get the balance. So already have this. So you need to be call these functions. You're saying what? What okay. Your balance is this method you need to do it. Just I need to call this. That's it. Just try this. Not. You can save. Command line. Near the screen. See. So the symbol next. I need to write next. This is fine. Which line? Line number 56. Line number 46. This should be next double. Now save it. Go to the screen. Java C. ATM. Vector Java. Yes, it is open fine now. Java. ATM run this. So here it is asking what? Press 1 for deposit amount, press 2 for withdraw the amount, press 3 for get balance. Just I'm need 1. So enter the amount you need to be deposit. So I can deposit 2000. The amount deposited successfully in your account. So directly it is asking about what? Enter the amount. It's a wrong, right? Sir, no, it is a wrong. Because it should not ask with second. What I have to do here, after this statement, I need to use get. Here also I need to use, right? Here also I need to use. For this, I need to use a right. Now, once again, save it, try to file and run this. I need to trace 1. Yes. Deposit amount. I'm using 2000. It is successfully in your account. But again, it will ask you want to get the balance or not. Okay, just I'm rerunning. Enter 2. Want to withdraw 3000. We didn't get any amount here. So after the withdraw, again I need to be get this. Again I need to be run press 3. Just because it is outcome of the class. Then I need to be repeat a process multiple times. What I have to do? You need to be loop it. Yes or no? You need to be loop the control whole process. How do I do that? Okay, how do I do? Yes, I need to be repeat a process until you say exit. Then here if I say one more thing, system dot out dot println. Here if I say press 4 exit. Okay. In that case, what I need to do? I need to use here, default. Okay. So here I'm saying system dot equal 5 0. Right. Before I do that, if you want to request this, then you can go for this. So what I have to do, I need to be right do while loop, right? I need to be the do while. Let's say so here I will start that one do loop. So take one more. Yes, which is the string type. This is the string. Plus. Okay, let's say here I can start to okay. Start from here. So I need to that means it will be done do and here I'm saying so here do you want to continue or exit? Let's say I'm saying string the system dot out dot println. Do you want to continue? So that message I need to be passive. Do you want continue this point? Okay. This any here I need to be read it. That is string type I'm taking which data ch. So we're taking ch equal to sc dot text. Okay, yes, we go. Next. Sc dot expand it to express. Okay. And you need to be right here. Close this bracket. Okay. Why? So here I'm doing what? Taking a condition. H dot equals what it is? It is y, then it should be continued. Otherwise, it should be x. Okay. Rerun this, save it. Bye. Now we can run this. Yes. Enter your choice. So if I want to deposit 1, so I'm depositing amount 5,000. Okay. You want to continue? Press Y. Yes, I'm continuing. You want to get the balance 3. Here I'm getting 11,6 plus I added 5,000, 11,000. You want to continue? It's me. Yes, I'm continuing. You want to get the balance? Yes. So 4 it's not getting right. Exit. Plus 4 is exit. So if you 3, get the balance. Let me clear once again. Once again, I will show you all the commands. Okay. Run this. Okay. We want to deposit. First, I am going to be depositing 6,000. Earlier, it is 5,000. It should be 6,000. Okay. Deposited. Do you want to continue? Press Y. Yes. Next, I want to get the balance. Press 3. So balance is 1,000. Yes, I need to do that. So I want to withdraw the amount 2,000. Withdraw amount 1,000. Enter the amount 1,000, but I am entering 15,000. In that case, what I should do? Insufficient balance. Okay, try later. Do you want to continue? Yes. So again, I need to be withdraw the amount. Withdraw the amount is 2. The amount withdraw to be 3,000. Yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. So get the balance 3. Yes. Okay. If you want exit, press 4. Yes. All functions are functionality working fine or not? Yes, guys.
Working, sir.
So I hope you understand what I exactly explained you, right? This is the simple way how to use a Java programs, right? The complete things. I hope you understood. Do you have any questions? Thanks. No queries? Hello.
No queries, sir.
I hope you understand what exactly the functionality, how do you use this things,
Yes, sir.
right? See you guys. Tomorrow we go for another topic.
Okay, sir. Which topic, sir?
Tomorrow we go for some basic things related with the arrays. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.